While cleaning your ECO ST oven, it is important to use TurboChef oven cleaner. Your kit includes a bottle, trigger sprayer, and cleaning powder packets. Fill the bottle to the fill line with warm water. Pour in 1 packet of cleaning powder and shake thoroughly for 30 seconds. Allow the mixture to sit for 3 minutes before using. Step 1. Cool the oven. Press the off button to cool the oven. This can take up to 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the screen reads, "Oven off, safe to clean." Step 2. Clean the cook plate. Remove the cook plate that rests on the metal tabs above the jet plate. Spray oven cleaner on the cook plate and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the cook plate with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 3. Clean the jet plate. Remove the jet plate by unscrewing the thumb screw. Spray oven cleaner on the jet plate and scrub with a scrub pad. Let the oven cleaner sit for 5 to 10 minutes for tough buildup. Rinse the jet plate with cold water and then dry with a clean cloth towel. Step 4. Clean the crumb tray. Remove the crumb tray below the oven door. Use a clean cloth towel to remove food debris. Spray oven cleaner and scrub with a scrub pad if there is buildup in the crumb tray. Step 5. Clean the air filter. Remove the air filter behind the crumb tray. Rinse with cold water and let the filter dry completely before reinstalling. Step 6. Clean the oven cavity. Spray oven cleaner into the oven cavity, but avoid spraying directly into the back of the oven. Spraying oven cleaner into the back of the oven can damage the catalytic converter. Use a scrub pad to clean the oven interior. Remove oven cleaner residue with a clean damp cloth. Step 7. Reinstall components. Reinstall the air filter after it is completely dry. Hook the crumb tray on the 2 screws below the oven door. Reinstall the jet plate and tighten the screw. Reinstall the cook plate. Step 8. Clean the oven exterior. Spray oven cleaner on a clean cloth towel and wipe down the entire oven exterior. Press the clean icon in the bottom right of the one-touch screen to lock the screen for 10 seconds, allowing you to clean it. Follow these steps daily to ensure the best performance from your ECO ST. Contact your sales representative to reorder cleaning supplies.